Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is YuGiOh and today we're going to be opening something that I found at the store that is a cube, but if you want to find out what it is, stay here. So I found this at the store. I was getting my groceries thing and my food stuff like that. And then I found this, a cube. So in this cube contains one deck, like random deck, 2 YuGiOh rares, and 2 YuGiOh booster packs, and 40 sleeves. So we can see here that it's Kuriboh, I already showed it, and then contains a Battle of Legends package, and another Destiny Soldiers package as well. And I open it just to save time, but you wanna see what is inside? I don't wanna know. So let's go and open it. So we have to do this. So this is showing that Kuriboh token. I like it. And then the other card is going to be another token. Yes, Kuriboh friends. Nice, the collection of tokens of Kuriboh, Kuriboh tokens. So for packet, the booster packages have this one, and we have this one. So we are not going to see the deck till the last. So we're going to open this first. Soldiers, Destiny Soldiers warranty. All cards are foil. So let's see what can we pull from this one. Oh, this one's come. So we got Dark Hole, nice, holo foil. Dark Mamble, and we got Fires of Doomsday, nice, and Veil of Darkness. I think this is one of the expensive cards in this set. And Abyss Actor, Wild of Hope, nice. Pendulum Monster, Secret Rare. Good. And for Battle of Legends, let's see what can we get. Oh! So let's open the opposite side. So we're going to open up. Solar Recharge, nice. Ultra Rare. Also in this package, all the cards are foil. And we got Performapal, Odd Eyes, Minotaurus. Nice, so cute. And then we got Giant Rex. And then we got DDD, Super Doom King Bright Armageddon. And for Secret Rare is gonna be Artifact Sanctum. Nice. Nice. Perfect. So we have here oh nice. I like these sleeves. So cool. Good. And for the deck, it's going to be, I don't know if you see it, but I haven't seen it. So we are going to open it from the back. Oh, I cannot open it. Oh, it's open here. So you ready to see what deck is inside? It's gonna be, ooh, I don't know which one is, to be honest. But oh, it's a pendulum deck. Nice. I didn't have pendulum. I hate pendulums, but well, I need to learn to like it because I got a deck. So got Ice Arc Pendulum Dragon, Odd Ice Pendulum Dragon, and then we got Starving Venom Fusion, and we got Clear Wing Synchro Dragon, nice. Dark Rebellion Dragon XYZ, Odd Ice Pendulum Dragon, Supreme King Dragon Odd Ice Phantom Dragon, so many pendulums. Other dragon, another one, Odd Ice Dragon, Phantom Dragon, Odd Eye Mirage Dragon, Performapal Odd Dry Dragon Phoenix, and then Performapal Odd Ice Unicorn, another unicorn, Skull Crobat Joker, another Joker, Rain Goat, YuGiOh Golem, Magician, Noble Dragon Magician, Gravity Dragon, Sky Iris, Odd Eyes Fusion, Odd Eyes Advent, Spiral Flame Strike, Spiron, Dualist Alliance, Pendulum Impenetrable, Pendulum Storm, Pot of Riches, Terraforming with Echo Oscillation, Pendulum Reborn, Pendulum Switch. Another fusion is going to be Supreme King Dragon, Starving Neon, Odd Eyes Vortex Dragon, Performable Gatling Goal, Supreme King Dragon Clear Wing, Odd Eyes Metro Burst Dragon, Supreme King Dragon Dark Rebellion, and Odd Eyes Absolute Dragon. So nice! My first Pendulum Dragon deck, and we got so many nice cards. The Kuriboh brothers. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you don't like it, well, you say I don't like it, and that's it. So see you soon for the next opening. See you soon. Bye bye. See you soon.